I thought before we go, I would just talk a little bit about the board that I'm bringing, just because I won't be able to do it at the meetup because it's really fucking loud. All meetups are loud, by the way. Not a slight at TexMechs. It's just, you know, I can't do this at the table. All right, so this is it. This is the Beetle 60 by Bub and Hallie. I was thinking about bringing my Gios R1 to the meetup because it's also small. It's also a 60%. But considering that Bub is going to post the interest check for this board soon, I thought it'd be fun to be like, oh my god, you guys, it's a prototype. Oh my god, you guys, what if you type on this and then you see it on the interest check and then you're like, oh my god, I saw that board at TexMechs, like, I think I like it, I think I want to get it. You know, just real real keyboard influencer strats. But no, I actually really like this board and I decided to bring it just because it is a polycarbonate top case. So it's actually lighter than the Gios, I think. Easy to travel with. It also GMK purplish, I feel like underrated set. A lot of people are like, oh my god, frost switch. Frost switch isn't even pastel. This is the shit you want for like a pastel lilac lavender set. And I'm not biased because my friend also designed the set. I'm not biased. We don't have biases in the keyboard hobby, not at all. I also have with me all of my stickers. All right, so I got my PNG tuber and Alan's PNG tuber, both made by the wonderful Stylidoscope. I didn't order as many of these Alan stickers by a lot. The Alan stack is like this tall, and then the PB stack is like this tall. So I've been saying like, oh, these are limited edition, these are exclusive. I'll probably just order more. I just like wasn't sure how many people would want Alan stickers. I don't know, Alan sticker might be better because you can see more of Hero. Like here, Hero's just in my hood versus here, you know, Hero's out and about. Yeah, so if you're watching this retroactively, hopefully you got one at TexMechs, and if you didn't, I should have more in time for the Nova meetup next month. I'm gonna get all my shit together and I'm gonna go, and I will see you guys at the meetup.